That's what's not to do, guys.
Got it.
I just saw a chainsaw going through.
Alright guys, she's going to show you real quick how the chainsaw works. Battery just slides right in.
There is a right there.
Oh, chain's a little loose.
Okay. We put oil up there.
Yeah, you got to put the bar oil in.
There is a locking mechanism for your thumb. Okay.
Okay, that's the chainsaw, guys. I mean, you're obviously not planning today cutting down trees with this thing, but any type of pruning, anything 4 or 5 inches or smaller.
Little button.
There's a little button, the battery slides right out.
So with the Weedeater, we have the attachment on there. Snaps right into place.
Okay, we put some serious cutting blades on this, so we got rid of the strings here, but go ahead.
Alright, so little one that you got to push down, and then you just...
It's pretty lightweight too. It's pretty easy to maneuver around.
This can move a little if you need to. This is how you take it off. Alright guys, welcome to Freezer Bound Outdoors. Alright, both guys have the RYOBI battery powered 40 volt chainsaw and pole saw, and they're going to cut some trees down. Let's check them out.
Yeah. Which one? This one here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, it's sharp if I can keep it out of the jinger. This one or not?
Oh yeah.
Wow, like a ball.
Oh yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Here's the test, guys. Well, I guess it's sharp. Jeez, oh man.
Wow.
Go ahead, bud.
Hey guys, I'm Joe. Freezer Bound Outdoors. We did a little RYOBI cordless battery powered chainsaw and Polesaw review. It's a 40-volt lithium battery. So far we've been out here running it for half an hour. It hasn't drained any power at all. We cut a bunch of limbs off a couple pine trees with the Polesaw, and I think earlier in the video you'll be able to see that it just cut like an absolute laser.
Alright guys, so we're slowly going down this line here. We've been going for 15 minutes now. It's slowly churning it up, just enough to have a nice little garden. We're going to try to go another 5 feet or so and plant our hot peppers, and she always does tomatoes. You know, just enough. So